The diagnosis of silicosis may be accomplished by obtaining a complete occupational history, chest x-rays, and lung function testing. These x-rays should be evaluated by a qualified medical professional, called a B-reader, who is experienced in reading for silicosis to detect the disease in its early stages. Lung function tests should also be conducted every year by a qualified technician or physician. These tests will help track any changes in the worker's ability to breathe. Silicosis is an incurable disease, but can be prevented by controlling workers' exposure to silica dust.